Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make an iPhone stand. In this video, I'll be showing you the basic process for making an easy iPhone stand using only these two binder clips. With that being said, let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my old iPhone, I should say, and I'm going to show you how to use this iPhone or any iPhone along with these two binder clips, one big and one smaller one, to make a nice iPhone stand. So as you can see with the binder clips, first and foremost, they have these little flaps that sort of go both ways. So you can sort of put them facing the back of the binder clip or facing the front of the binder clip. And you're going to need to know that for this tutorial. Secondly, I'm using one of these larger binder clips and then one of these smaller binder clips. So you're also going to need to know that. Now, for the larger binder clip, I'm just leaving both of the flaps facing the back of the binder clip. And I'm just going to place it like that. That's going to be the backing for the iPhone. That's going to sort of be the backing just like that for the iPhone. Now, for the smaller binder clip, I'm going to take one of these flaps, only one of the two, and I'm going to make it face the back. And then the second one is going to face the front. So as you can see here, one of the flaps is going backwards, one of the flaps is sticking out from the front. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the smaller binder clip and I'm going to take that flap that's sticking out from the front and I'm going to open up the bigger binder clip and just sort of make it chomp down on that, clip down on that smaller binder clip right there. So as you can see, once again, I took the bigger binder clip and I just made it clamp down on the smaller binder clip like that. Okay, as far back as it can go. As you can see inside of there, that flap is touching the back of the bigger binder clip. Now I'm just going to place it down like that. Now, as you can see, just as you can see over here, actually, I do apologize. I did this the wrong way. This flap is supposed to be on the bottom. So I'm just going to take it out, turn it around just like that. So once again, I've clamped it down and this flap right here is at the bottom just to make it sit nice and flat on the ground. As you can see right over there, I have the bigger binder clip clamping down on the smaller binder clip on one of the flaps and the second flap is down there flat on the floor. I can now take my iPhone, place it down like that. As you can see, I've made a nice iPhone stand using only two binder clips. It's a very simple tutorial. It's an easy method. And the greatest thing about this stand is that, you can use this at your office or at your desk or anywhere that you have these binder clips. Then when you're done, you just simply take them apart and put them away. And it's not something that has to be permanently around. You can just use the binder clips that you have lying around your office or your desk. And then when you're done, you can just take them apart again. So once again, take the bigger binder clip, clamp it down on the flap of the smaller binder clip, place it down on the ground. You can make it nice and straight just like that. And then you take your iPhone, place it down. And this is very useful for if you are watching a movie or watching a video and you just want to leave your iPhone somewhere. I think it's a very good angle because as you can see, it's not directly like this and it's not directly like this. It's sort of at a 45-degree angle, which is perfect because if it's sitting flat like this, you need to be on top of it, looking down for it to work. And if it's completely, just perpendicular to the ground, then you need to be completely in front of it. But oftentimes we are slightly above and in front, like this angle right here with our iPhone when we're trying to watch something. And this little iPhone stand makes it very easy to just, use it properly and do whatever you need to do with your iPhone on the stand. And that's basically it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.